Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, especially for those of you looking to automate your business, save on costs, and create a whole new stream of income without hiring a single employee. Imagine running a business where AI handles everything from marketing to customer support, from financial analysis to content creation, and you get to keep all the profits. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me introduce you to AIOffices, an AI-powered HR agency platform that allows you to do just that. Now, I've been exploring AIOffices, and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with how it works. What really caught my attention is that not only can you automate a lot of business processes, but you can actually rebrand the entire platform as your own business. Yep, you can slap your logo on it, use your own domain, and sell AI-powered services to your clients as if you created the software yourself. It's basically a white-label SaaS platform where you're not just offering tools, you're providing an entire team of AI employees for your clients. Let's break it down. When you log into AIOffices, you're greeted by a dashboard that shows you your available AI employees. These employees are already trained and specialized in different tasks like marketing, sales, customer support, and even programming. So instead of hiring staff or freelancers to do these things for you, you simply click a button and boom, your AI employee is handling the task. Need someone to generate leads? There's an AI for that. Need someone to write copy or create social media posts? There's an AI for that too. It's like having a virtual team that never takes a break, never misses a deadline, and is always available 24/7. And what's even cooler is that you can organize these AI employees into different companies and departments. For instance, let's say you're managing several client businesses. You can create separate departments like marketing, programming, or customer support for each client, and assign different AI employees to handle tasks for each department. The AIs can even communicate with each other and work collaboratively on tasks. This means more productivity and efficiency than a human team could ever deliver, and at a fraction of the cost. Another thing that really stood out to me is how up-to-date these AI employees are. They're powered by the latest tech like GPT, Claude Pro, and Gemini Pro, so you know they're equipped with cutting-edge knowledge. They're connected to the internet, constantly learning, and can execute complex tasks in minutes. For example, you can ask one AI to create a lead generation strategy and another to write compelling sales copy, and they'll get it done for you with just a few clicks. And the best part? No salaries, no benefits, no downtime. Now, what makes AIOffices stand out from other AI platforms is its white label capabilities. You can fully rebrand the platform to fit your business. Add your own logo, use your own domain, and customize the interface as if it were your own product. You can then sell access to this AI-powered service to your clients as a subscription-based service. And here's where the real magic happens. Recurring income. Imagine selling 50 accounts at $97 a month. That's nearly $5,000 of recurring revenue coming in every month, with almost no overhead. You're not managing a team, you're managing a system that works for you. Speaking of income, AIOffices comes with 3 bonuses that really sweeten the deal. First, you get a commercial license, which allows you to sell AIOffices to your clients and keep 100% of the profits. This is perfect for those of you who already run a digital marketing agency, or even if you're just starting out. Second, you get a professional upgrade that unlocks premium features, including multilingual support. This is huge if you're working with international clients or want to offer your services globally. And finally, the third bonus is the enterprise upgrade, which gives you all the powerful agency features, like creating client accounts, managing multiple businesses, and offering team access. These bonuses are exclusive for a limited time, so if you're interested, you'll want to jump on this quickly. What really blows my mind is the scalability of this platform. You don't need to worry about hiring and training people. Your AI employees are ready to go, and they're scalable too. You can easily serve businesses of all sizes, and the platform can grow with your client base. Whether you're managing 5 clients or 50, AIOffices can handle the workload effortlessly. Now, a lot of you might be wondering about security. AIOffices takes care of that too. Everything is encrypted end-to-end, so your data and your clients' data are secure. Plus, the platform integrates seamlessly with existing tools you may already be using, making it easy to add to your current workflow. So, is AIOffices worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking to scale your business, reduce overhead, and provide top-tier services to your clients without the hassle of hiring, this is a game changer. The fact that you can rebrand it, sell it as your own, and generate recurring income makes it an incredible opportunity, especially in today's business landscape, where companies are looking to automate as much as possible. All right, that's it for today's review. I hope this deep dive into AIOffices gave you some insights into how this platform can help you grow your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.